sing one of our favorite fun songs from the Nido. It's about riding to the fair. So there are 3 verses to the song, and you sing them all with your child sitting on your lap. The first one is how a lady rides to the fair, and a lady rides very properly, so she's going to go nice and slow. Then the second verse is about a jockey riding, and jockeys, they're horse racers, right? So they have to go really fast. And then for extra fun on the third verse, when you sing for your baby or your child, you just do like a really kooky ride and bounce them all around, and it's always a great laugh and good fun. So here we go. We're going to sing our To the Fair song. So here's our lady, and this is the way a lady rides, lady rides, lady rides. This is the way a lady rides, going to the fair. Here's our jockey. This is the way the jockey rides, jockey rides, jockey rides. This is the way a jockey rides, going to the fair.
And this could be your child. This is the way your child rides, child rides, child rides. This is the way your child rides, going to the fair.
All right, feel free to fill in any name for that portion of the song and just get creative. Thanks for singing with us. We'll see you again soon.